What's up, guys? We are back with another unboxing. Today we are unboxing Birchbox.
This came in the mail. I could not wait. I texted Stephanie right away and I said, we need to open this like now.
She was super excited, and then I got really excited. All right, let's rip this right open. So it has these tabs on the side for those of you that are new to this. Now this is our first time doing this.
Ooh.
Nice. All right, so this is what my box looks like. Oh, that's cute.
And this one is mine.
This is giving me like Valentine's Day vibes, if you want to save the box.
Yeah, right.
Wait, mine has a little tassel.
Aww.
Oh, this is
I think this was like a bonus.
How cute that is. Oh, it slides out. Okay.
Ooh, let's start off.
Fancy.
You want to start off with your box?
Yeah, I'm getting excited now. This is not a beauty box. They really want us to know, guys, that this is not a beauty box. Why is that? Let us explain. Let us explain. All right. Here it tells you what's inside of your box. You want to read it off?
Sure.
I feel like I give it to her because I can't pronounce a lot of stuff.
Stuff. We're gonna do Amika. Perk Up Dry Shampoo.
Who's Amika?
Oh, isn't that like an insurance thing?
I think so. So do you want to?
Yeah. That's right in my hair.
I've never done this before. Are you experienced with? I've never done.
You've never used
I
dry
can't,
shampoo?
I can't.
Stephanie.
I can't.
Why?
Because of my I'll do it wrong and I'll walk out with like white hair.
Usually you just like do it at the roots. And then you're supposed to brush it.
I'm not seeing any white, which
is good.
Good.
Give me a little
Little
perk
volume.
up like it says it does.
Perch your hair right up.
Perked it up. It did. I like it and I like the smell. Next is Arrow. So Boost Coloring Enhancement Lip Balm.
Okay. And this is what it looks like.
Very busy.
Aren't we all? Literally.
Whoa.
Berry.
That's interesting.
Does it smell?
Do you typically do? Ask Stephanie.
Do I smell the chapstick?
Do you typically smell your products before you use them?
I do. I don't
Yeah?
know why. Because I feel like, okay, think about it. You don't want to be applying lipstick that smells, and then you get kissed, and then the person's judging you. This is very minty. You would think that I'm gonna eat this. I'm not. I don't know why. Which
Yeah, it
means
is a little bit.
that it will be hydrating your lips, color enhancing though. Does it change color? I try it. It's like a lilac color, but here it turns into like a tint of pink. This is really cool. This is perfect for someone that just wants chapstick, but with a little bit of color.
Ooh.
I'm loving that. Awesome. That was a thumbs up. See, if my girls were here right now, especially Ariana, you know, you guys have seen my girls and they are obsessed with makeup. For little girls, I like to play around with makeup and stuff. I don't know how much how much does it retail for?
Looks like $15.
$15. On second thought, no, go to Dollar Tree, they'll be fine.
The dry shampoo is retailed for $25. So the next is gonna be the Beauty Protector. Protect
so-
and detangle.
Yes, and this is what it looks like.
You wanna smell it and I'll I'll apply it. It's almost like cotton candy. It's not as like strong as
It's like very
It's
faint.
very faint. I don't have damp hair, so we're gonna not try it. Next one we're gonna use is the Ultra Facial Cream. The full size of that, it runs for $30,
Yeah, that's
which seems about
And
right.
it says it's 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula for healthy looking skin. And this is what it looks like. It doesn't smell like anything.
No?
No. I'm gonna try something. This feels really hydrating.
It's cold.
Yeah, I like it.
that.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
That is a yes.
So this feels really good on my face right now. Like it says, it glides through my skin. My skin's not, how can I describe it? It's not oily, it's not dry.
It's like in the in-between.
It's in between.
It's like normal.
I would say like normal, at least my face skin.
Guys.
Take that out, don't add that.
And it's 24 hours. Like, this is
Right.
something that you could literally just walk out of the house with.
Next is the Plus Curl Mascara, retailed at $15.
Okay.
Its uniquely shaped wand is designed to hug your eyes.
Extension plus curl. If you saw our last Epsi unboxing, we had a brush that it claimed that it's volumized, and I had said that it does more lengthening. But this one here has a wand similar to the one in that video, but this one has a curve. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's meant to be that way. I can see why it says it hugs your eyelashes because of the curve. Like when you go in, it's like you're scooping.
Right.
You wanna try it?
I do, because I actually never had purchased a curve
It feels
mascara
really
before.
nice. How does it feel?
It feels light. It doesn't look like it's clumping up, which is nice.
No, that looks really good.
So,
Okay, guys, and from the side.
we're gonna go with the Youth Renewal Serum. Full size, this is priced at $89.
Yeah, and it's from the brand Murad.
Murad, yep. Apply before moisturizer. Pregnant women should not use
Retinol.
retinol.
I did not know that. So, for those of you that don't know, I am 32 years old, going on 33, and I feel like I've always tried to take care of my skin, especially now that I'm getting older. Serums are a must. Usually I will apply the moisturizer first and then the serum,
Really?
but I have found that I have other serums that I tend to put on first. This one, it says to apply it before the moisturizer.
I'm actually glad that you brought that up, because I just recently started to use like face serums and mist and stuff like that, because I was kind of nervous about with all the chemicals being in it. I didn't know if it was gonna age me quicker.
I heard Jeffree Star. He's a makeup guru on YouTube, and I believe he had a toner, and he had mentioned in his video about alcohol. Now, toner, after I wash my face, I tend to take like a cotton pad, apply some toner to remove any excess makeup, because even though you're using soap, you still have excess makeup even around the neck and all these areas. And apparently, if you have alcohol and you're applying it to your face, it makes you age quicker. I did not know that.
Good to know.
Then again, it's like everything else. Alcohol, if you have it in hair products, it tends to dry your hair. Another key tip, make sure that you guys use SPF. That is a must.
Wow, you have all these great tips and tricks.
Okay, so let me apply some of this.
So it says to use at night, apply a thin layer to face and follow with the moisturizer.
It feels okay.
How's the smell test?
It has a soft smell. It feels okay. I feel like compared to my other serums, I don't know, guys. I really didn't like how it, because I have a few already, but I feel like the ones that I usually tend to use have a little bit of like an oil consistency to it, and this one's just not. That is it for this box. Also, with it, you get a $20 in loyalty points from them. Michelle is going to show us what's in her box.
I love this box so much.
It is so cute.
It is so cute. Ooh. Oh, so here we go. We have another sheet here. This is a facial mini scrubber.
Trapezize makeup remover exfoliating face scrubber.
I just started to get into using other things besides a loofah, because I heard that loofahs are not good
because of the bacteria that it removes. Ebony
rehydrating serum.
Now this is for sensitive complexions.
The retail price of this would be $38. It smells like cream.
So guys, this is what, you see how my skin looks really like moist? That's what a serum's supposed to do. It feels like it's actually getting into my skin. I absolutely love that.
I know it definitely feels nice and it doesn't feel like oily. Next is the Mineral Face SPF 30 Unscented Matte Tint.
Matte tints.
Unscented matte tint. Retail price is $36.
And this is what it looks like. Okay guys, so let's say if you wanted to do the serum and that moisturizer that we just showed you, and you wanted to do light makeup, let's say you didn't want to put on foundation, this is a go-to. I'm gonna show you right now what it looks like. So it has a little tint, and basically it's kind of like a tinted moisturizer. Oh, this feels weird. Wow.
Like a good weird or a bad weird?
It feels nice. Try it.
Totally see like the different color.
Yeah.
Ooh.
But I don't.
Ooh.
Right. This is giving me like the Maybelline Poreless. It's basically to erase like the pores. But the only difference is that it's unscented and it has a tint to it. So if you don't want your skin to shine underneath your makeup, this is what you would wear underneath it.
The next thing is gonna be the Lip Stain Steaming Red.
And it is called
Gucci.
Gucci, I guess. This is what it looks like.
The resale price, full size of this, is $28. Deep rose that glides on smoothly, leaving a matte finish. So, how much of this would you say?
Not a lot.
Alright, so on the last thing, it's going to be the Super Comb Prep and Protect. Full size of that is $32. Shields your strains from heat damage and UV rays with the leave-in conditioner. Overall, what do you think?
I absolutely loved Birchbox compared to the Epsi one where it was more makeup. This one was more beauty care. Definitely subscribe. How much is the subscription to this?
This one was $15 a month.
Okay. I give this a thumbs up.
Boxes are so
and
cute.
The boxes are really nice. You can definitely use these for birthdays and just repurpose them. So that is it for this video. Let us know if you have any questions. Comment down below. Make sure to subscribe, to hit like, to hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified when we post a video. Follow us on Snapchat and on Instagram. Like always, we hope that you enjoyed this video, and until next time guys, bye.
Bye.
Wow.